Let's talk about the S Pen for a moment. You might have heard the rumors that apparently the S25 Ultra will not have Bluetooth support for this thing here, that's the S Pen, and some people speculate that the air actions will not work without it, and of course there is a lot of rage whatsoever. But guys, first things first, I just want to show you what this thing is and then just give you a short demo. Practically what you can do with the air actions is with your S Pen out of your phone, apparently you can control various apps. Those are the apps where you can use this. It's like the camera, the gallery, apparently also Chrome and VLC, and it's worth noting that those are not Samsung stock apps. And what you can do with this thing, well, it's just better if I show you guys. So now I can enter the camera. I'm gonna hold the button here and I'm going to just scroll left with the pen. I'm just gonna cycle through all the modes. That's actually not bad. If I press here the pen, I'm gonna be able to take a photo. Now I can do some other things that are also cool. If I do like these guys, you see I'm gonna be able to zoom in and zoom out, and you know, like those things are definitely there and some people might really use them. But guys, let's be honest, like, I mean, yeah, how often did you use this in the last few months? Honestly, for me, maybe just once in a while. Now I want to show something else that I believe is important, guys. Now you see the Bluetooth is on my phone. I'm going to disable the Bluetooth, right? Let me disable the Bluetooth, and I'm going to show you that, yeah, still, you know, my S Pen is going to work. Yep, no kidding here. See, the Bluetooth connection is off, and I can just go inside the camera and try to zoom even on the video, and, you know, all the things, they work. It's important to know, and why is that, guys? Because see here, guys, if you click on the air actions, you're going to see that the air actions are using the BLE, or that's the Bluetooth Low Energy, even while the Bluetooth is turned off. So I don't really think that Samsung are going to sacrifice on this. I don't really think it makes sense for them to remove BLE support, right, for the S Pen. But even if they do so, let's be honest, put your right hand on your heart and the left hand up in the air and tell me, like, how often did you use this in the last few months? And now, guys, something else that I believe is important now. Samsung might want to remove some things from the S Pen to make a bit more space, because you see, like, this is definitely taking some space. But making more space for what? There are plenty of options, but two of the biggest options are like, okay, get a bigger battery, which we know it's not the case, or let's say make room for, yeah, probably just get better sensors. Why not the 1-inch sensor? Now we know that Samsung are not removing the S Pen. Honestly, I would prefer, even if they put 1-inch sensor here, to just ditch the S Pen and just sell it separately, yeah, just attach it somewhere. I don't really care that much about the S Pen. Yes, it's useful, yes, you know, like no other phones have that, but hey, I would so much prefer to have a bigger battery and also a better camera. And guys, let's not pretend that this is something that you use every day, unless of course you're a guy that uses it every day. And if you're this guy, just let me know down in the comments. Maybe there's some use cases I am missing. Anyway, guys, worth sharing with you. I don't think this is gonna go away. BLE is still gonna be here, the Bluetooth Low Energy, and you can see even without the Bluetooth, my S Pen is still connected. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, and guys, stay tuned for S25 Ultra content, because this thing is now being baked. All right, bye.